What up? All right, we got to talk about the price action we've seen from AMC today. Absolutely crazy. I think the gamma squeeze could continue. I definitely think this is a gamma squeeze, not a fundamental rally. But if the fundamentals were a gamma squeeze, then I guess you could call it that. Whatever. Tomato, tomato. But we also have proof of synthetic shares. 100% there are synthetic shares. If you don't know that by now, then you are obviously clueless. Sometimes you gotta stop believing the things that you're told and listen to your own research. And that's why I always say do your own due diligence and check things out. And that's why I just present the facts and the data as I know them and always say it's my opinion. But let's go ahead and check out the charts. Technical analysis, I got that too for you, letting you know where I think this rally is going to go and where we're headed into Monday and so forth and so on. So let's go ahead and get a chart to check it out. All right, we're here with the charts and we're looking at AMC. So I'm going to be explaining today's price action. I think it was definitely a gamma squeeze. I think that we were going to be going up over a continuation into Monday and Tuesday. I think Monday will probably be a flat day and then Tuesday will be an update. But we can see that this trend line would show us continuing up if we did follow this pattern. And right now on the smaller time frames, we are forming a bit of a bull flag. So we could see continuation up from this pattern here, but that is yet to be seen. We're going to have to wait on Monday's price action for that as far as technical analysis goes. But we did break out above the Bollinger Bands, meaning that we've seen extreme buying. No shorts did not cover. Short interest did not go down. Cost to borrow rate is still extremely high, putting pressure on the shorts. And then we also have movies like Wakanda Forever doing extremely well, putting pressure on the shorts, and the company is better off 2 years than it was ago. We also have absolute proof, guys, absolute proof. This is kind of speculative, but if you guys look at the fine print, it is saying these tokenized stocks are backed up by one-to-one charts of synthetics. So if you guys look, we have uh, 615 million shares of AMC on Bittrex, 410 million shares. Retail owns 85% of shares. And what he fails to mention on this is that institutional ownership is officially at 26%, but there might be news reports showing that institutional ownership is even much higher, as institutions have been showing to been piling into the stock, adding more to their stock, preparing for the short squeeze. If you guys look at the filings, you can guys see that institutional ownership is actually going up on the stocks, and these new numbers will be reported. So how do all of these people have these shares? And that's because synthetics clearly exist. And if you guys look, FTX says that it backs it up with so this is saying about Tesla on the FTX one, but this could be for AMC as well, that it's backed up by one-to-one by the stock. And then also on Bittrex as well, they're saying that the digital assets are backed up one-to-one traditional on a stock. So apparently these people are claiming that they have one-to-one on all of these shares, which way outseeds the float and would prove that there are synthetic shares, along with the news like with the FTDs. I mean, all of this stuff is just screaming that there's something crazy going on behind the scenes that we just do not see. But as far as where I think the rally is going to be going, I think that we could see this easily go up to 12 bucks. I think we're going to have put a lot of pressure on the shorts, and this could potentially go into MOAS. But right now, I think what we are seeing is a gamma squeeze. If you look at the options chains, where this suggests that we could be going, we have a huge concentration around $10, around $8, and around up to $15. So there could be, a lot of price action around these areas. So I would expect to see $10 to $12 next week, and those are the areas I would be looking at. Of course, we would have to hold these areas of support at 672, 690,
But if we do hold those support into Monday, which is about to be close of the stock, and if we see market action and hold that into Monday, and I will be updating, and this trend is still intact as well, this uptrend, that we could still see continuation on Monday, but I more expect probably a cool down day, a flat day, if we don't get pushed back down from the shorts. But if we don't, and we do see upside, this thing could continue moving. I more expect it to keep moving up Tuesday, but I do think this rally is going to continue into the next week, but we need to cool down because we are highly over on RSI on the lower time frames. Again, on the daily time frame, we're testing the top of the Bollinger Band. If it breaks outside of the band, expect it to come back in, but if it does, you could see rapid price movement as well. So there's a lot of things saying that we are going to definitely see continuation to the upside. Also, we have this chart pattern here showing that this 12-year chart pattern showing that we could easily go to $12. This is a year chart pattern, and it's just a basic pattern, but it's showing how we could easily go to $12 from the pattern that we've been playing out over the past year or so. So there's many signs of saying that we are definitely going to be going to around 10 to 15 to $12. I'm thinking more conservatively 10 to $12. But if we do get that high, that would definitely put a lot of pressure on the shorts and make it very, very easy for us to continue up and for the actual MOAS to start. How the run up to 72 started last time, I believe, is that we got a lot of gamma squeezing and a lot of FOMO, and then it got out of control. Some shorts did cover because short interest did drop, but then it went back up as they shorted near those higher levels, and I still think those same shorts are in there and they're trapped. Again, we have 56,000 calls expiring in the money at $8. So if this holds $7 into Monday, I definitely think we're going to see a lot of price action up, even if we hold $6 at the lowest. But I want to see it hold $7 and then move up from there. Again, I said Monday will probably be a day of consolidation. We'll probably move sideways. Hopefully we don't move down, but I gave you guys a little support earlier in the video to look for. But if we don't, I expect a continuation up between Monday and Tuesday. So that was the video, everything on AMC, what's going on, where I think we're going. Again, cost to borrow rate is still absolutely high, putting pressure on the shorts. We have the movie Wakanda Forever doing great. We also have Avatar coming out, and then we have proof of synthetics. Definitely proof of synthetics in my book, in my opinion, along with the FTDs, which I've been saying scream synthetics the whole time. But you still have people disagreeing because it's a much harder thing to prove, and I understand that. But sometimes you have to have conviction in these things and know what you know. But that was the video. I cover everything from stocks, cryptocurrency on this channel. If you find any of that informative, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out.
Alright, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you like cryptocurrency, stocks, anything like that, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, because I cover that all the time. Follow me on Twitter and Discord, links down in the description and in the comments. And as always, I hope you're having a good day. Stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out.